Hey everyone, welcome back to the Pandas tutorial for beginners series. In this video, we'll learn how to create basic data visualizations using Pandas. You'll see how to generate line plots and bar charts directly from Pandas DataFrame. We'll also work with time series, data, and compare multiple columns on the same chart to spot trends and differences between products. Let's get started and bring our data to life. Okay. As you can see right now, I have already activated my virtual environment and created our pandas part12.py file. Let's now place the code that we're going to use. As always, the code will be available in my GitHub repository, which I will link in the video description. So, let's now see what we have here. We have our data. That is a dictionary. We have tablet sales, phone sales, and laptop sales. And here, for the date, we're going to use actually Pandas date range, which will start from the 1st of January 2025 for 10 periods, as we have 10 entries here. And the frequency will be every month. ME stands for monthly. Alright, let me just show you how this looks like. So we go with Python pandas part12.py. Okay, let's make it a bit bigger. So those are not strings, this is a datetime field. And it goes from the 31st of January to the 31st of October. We're going to see why it will be like that. Let's now clear that out. Let's make this shorter. And we're going to comment this one so that it doesn't bother us. Let's start with the line plot, which is the first plot that we're going to explore for today. Here, we created using this syntax, DataFrame. And from the DataFrame, we take laptop sales and phone sales. We use .plot with title laptop versus phone sales over time. By default, it will show a line plot. Let's now do the same command. And okay, you should now see the line plot that is currently, it should be on the top left of your screens. This shows the laptop and phone sales over time. You can see here that the line goes from January, February, March, all the way up until October. And you can see here the phone sales are dominating the laptop sales. This is the most simple chart that there is. So let's close that one and let's move to the other one, which is the bar plot. We comment this one and we go for the bar plot. This is with the same syntax as the previous one. We have data frame, we select laptop sales and tablet sales, .plot. The difference here is that we use kind equals bar, so that we inform Pandas that we actually want this to be a bar chart, not a line chart. Now, let's run the code once again. And okay, now you can see this is what a bar chart looks like. Those are the laptop sales versus the tablet sales. We have 10 entries for the 10 months. And the amount that is sold each and every month. You can see January, February, March, April, all the way until October. Laptops are dominating the sales. This is a chart that's more often than not used to compare the sales of different products. Now, let's close this one and explore one of our examples. Basically, you can see right now, here we're going to use a different syntax. We're going to use DataFrame.plot and Y equals laptop sales, phone sales, and tablet sales. The title will be all products sales comparison. So this will be a different syntax than the previous examples. Let's see how this will work. As you can see, we have all the data available on a line chart with all of the product sales being compared to one another. So, as you can see on the bottom left, when we are on our chart, you can see that Y is there. The number, when I move down, it goes down as well. And when I go to the right, the T for time moves. So, let's close this one and let me just explain to you what's going on. Y here stands for all of the data that we're going to be using. All of the data that we have included is laptop sales, phone sales, and tablet sales. Let's actually see if we can write the same thing with a different syntax. So we're going to use df.plot. No, pardon me. We're not going to use that method. We're going to use this one. Laptop sales, tablet sales, and phone sales. On this data frame, like on those columns, we go with .pot, and now I'm going to say, okay, kind equals, oh, we don't need that now. Title will be all products sales. Let's comment this one. You're going to see it will show exactly the same chart as it did right now. Yes, same chart, same data. So both of these can be written the same way. However, I wanted us to get this data on a bar chart as well. So that's what we're going to do. So we copy the code that's on the previous line, and we add at the end kind equals bar. We save it, and we run our program once again. And as you can see, we have our bar chart for all products sales comparison. The phone sales are totally dominating both the laptop sales and tablet sales. And you can see you have everything cleared out, the units sold, you have the time frame and everything, where every bar here stands for a single month. Okay, let's close this one. And that's it for this video. You've learned how to quickly visualize data from a Pandas data frame using the .plot method, including line plots, bar charts, and multi-column comparisons. Those plotting tools are perfect for fast data exploration and initial analysis, especially when you want insights without a lot of setup. As you move forward, keep in mind that because Pandas is built on top of Matplotlib, you can easily customize your charts further, adjusting colors, labels, layouts, and more, whenever you need extra control. And also with this video, we're putting an end on our basic Pandas tutorial for beginners, but we have more coming in later. So thank you for watching.